लंच के लिए उतरे हैं. So it's little bit late, but we'll try for lunch. And we are at Royal Rajwada. So I think it's authentic, like at least it's an AC restaurant. हम लोग अभी के लिए वही चाहिए. Like we are too tired. What up, bro? अभी लंच ही सब कुछ है. So अभी lunch time. So it's pretty hot outside and just relaxing under a little bit cool AC and all. Fan be here. So we just ordered multiple dishes from veg and non-veg. So we have covered 3 forts today, like the big ones, like the Amer, Jagger and Nargar. So mostly they are sorted. So we are thinking of going back to the palace itself, like at the hotel, right? And then we'll see what happens from there. So we just got over with our lunch. It was absolutely amazing. So it was a little bit on the pricier side, but totally worth it considering we just completed touring around 3 forts, fully walking, the intense heat and all. So the food quality was really good and बहुत अच्छा लगा, and there was a lot of variety and all. Starters से लेके main course. We also had 2 fresh lime sodas to just wrap it up, and yeah, it was totally good. Oh bro, people. Yeah. So how was the food today?
The food was really good. Like it was, I mean, I will say like what's the price? Like the presentation I will give like 8 to 9 on 10, and the quality of the food also something like 9 on 10. The value for money I will give like something like 7 or 10. But we have to consider it's very close to the tourist destination.
And considering the fact that we actually, this was not very far from Amer Fort, so basically settling and getting in AC, settling, and this overall service was pretty good. So if you guys actually come, do visit this one, Royal Rajwada. So I think you won't be disappointed. So just give it a try once. So now we shall be heading back to our hotel. So today we are done mostly. We'll just pack up to the hotel and take rest. Since most of the fort and palaces do close up by 5, so उसके बाद actually जाने का ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. So market place explore करने के लिए थोड़ा time चाहिए, वो आज उतना नहीं है. So we'll just go to our hotel back करके आज थोड़ा rest, pack up, like take rest and all, थोड़ा सो लेंगे. So I think that would be good for us. So we'll see up at the hotel.
इधर का रास्ता निकले
Jaipur trip one was successful. बहुत कुछ हुआ and it was a little bit hectic. सब कुछ done. So we have reached back to our hotel, the Park Classic. Abhi just we'll go back to our room, take some refreshments, and I think have a good sleep and all. Do some editing work and something, sort out the plans for the next day and all. So we'll have a little bit of time. So I'm a little bit exhausted. I think I will have a bath on. Despite it's very late, and yeah, the dinner is complimentary here, so it's good for us. So p.m. See you then after that. Luggage. There you are.
You like the view? Oh.
So this is the view from hotel. There's a little bit of green patch there, and we can see the city market. You can see the traffic bustling, and not much around. And actually the wind is pretty good. So I'll just open the mask a little bit. Yeah, the moon is like pretty up, pretty relaxing. Reached our hotel. It's actually pretty good. Just like did a little bit of face wash. Like I just need to de-scrub a little bit. You know, a lot of pollution. But actually, the pollution is way less than say in Kolkata metro city. The roads are pretty amazing and overall very satisfied. But I just need a lot of rest, a little bit, I think. So just sitting around the lounge. You see, not a lot of people. And mostly it's pretty good. And yeah, then I'll see you back at the room, or maybe directly in tomorrow's morning when our trip starts. So we'll see. अभी हम लोग का डिनर स्टार्ट होगा. So we have taken full veg. ये हमारे होटल में complimentary था. So we are just happy. We are waiting for a butter naan and all. So this is paneer butter masala. This is dal makhani, a couple of raitas, and there's a salad over there. So just keeping it very traditional, very very veg and all. So let's have our dinner, then we'll get back to you.